Hello everybody. Today we can see about Mindray Magnesium Kit. In the top we can see the brand name Mindray. This is a magnesium kit, slide blue method. Here we can see the short form of magnesium kit, MG. This is the overall representation view in the top. When we go for front, in the front we can see the product name magnesium kit used for slide blue method, short form MG. This is other names in other languages. In the bottom we can see the reference number MG0102. This reagent contained 4 into 40 ml. Then this is so we can see the lot number. This is C certificate IVD product. This kit contains one instruction manual. We should maintain this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using the ice pack. Here we can see in the bottom manufacturing details of this kit. This is the overall representation view of this kit. Here we can see the other angles. In this side we can see the plane. On the back we can see for in vitro diagnostic use. On the side bottom we can see the brand name Mindray and manufacturing details. This is the overall representation of this kit. Now I am going for summary. Today we can see the magnesium kit from Mindray. This is a biochemistry kit for slide blue method. Thank you.